Every day at Indpro begins with purpose, energy, and pride. We believe in starting the day right, with a smile and structure. Welcome to a workplace where your comfort and well-being matter. A modern workspace that helps you grow professionally and personally. Where ideas flow and collaboration drives innovation. Our doors are always open to all our partners for endless possibilities. It's not just about work, it's about enjoying the journey. New beginnings are always celebrated at Indpro. Because every voice matters, every story matters.
Indpro has been my second home for over 20 years. The collaboration and mutual learning within our team makes every day fulfilling.
After 10 years, I can say this is the best workplace I have been part of. Our team spirit and leadership makes all the difference.
इंडप्रोमध्ये काम करताना आम्हाला खूप सपोर्ट भेटतो. बस फॅसिलिटीज, कॅन्टीन फॅसिलिटीज, यानंतरनं हेल्थ पॉलिसीज यांच्यामुळे आम्हाला खूप मदत होते.
Indpro has helped me to realize my true potential and pivot my career to capitalize on my strength.
I have learned a lot here. Indpro Innovation Solution provides improved productivity, safety and efficiency.
Leaders here don't just manage, they mentor and guide. When people feel trusted, they perform their best. Learning never stops, and neither do we. We know when to step out and recharge. Team spirit and bonding extends much beyond our working hours. We care for you, the environment and our society. At Indpro, it's more than just a job. Oh, it's a journey of passion, growth, and joy.